The Twa Corbies. As I was walking all alane, I heard Twa Corbies making a main. The tane unto the t'other say, "Where shall we gang and dine the day?" "In ahint yon auld failed dyke, I wot there lies a new slain knight, and naebody kens that he lies there but his hawk, his hound, and his lady fair. His hound is to the hunting gane, his hawk to fetch the wild fowl hame, his lady's ta'en another mate, sae we may mak our dinner sweet. He'll sit on his white haw's bane, and I'll pike out his bonny blue een. Wi' ae lock o' his gowden hair, we'll theek our nest when it grows bare. Mony a ane for him maks main, but nane sall ken where he is gane. Ower his white banes, when they are bare, the wind sall blaw for evermore."